friend of mine gave this to me. The pull cord would pull out but would not retract. So what it did, move this out of the way. I took this all out, all this mechanism, and I found out that this little, this piece here, you can see, was dragging on this wheel inside here. So I took it all out, moved this out of the way, cleaned it all up inside, and pried open a bit, and the adjuster's right there, as you can see. Pushed that back, and it works now. So we're going to put it back all together and see if the chainsaw starts. Next step now is to check the filter. A little dirty. I already cleaned this up before, but it needs a filter. I don't know if you can wash these out or not. Haven't tried. I think you can wash these out in gasoline. It needs good blow by in there. A little dirty. There's choke. Throttle's locked. Yeah, I think you can wash these out in gasoline, if I remember correctly. It sucks in there. Sure stinks. Love the smell of it. Miss it. Well, there she goes. It works and it starts. Not bad. Thumbs up. Thanks, friend. You know who you are.